Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you this very dramatic brown smoky eye. It's more to the neutral side, so it's very easy to use. And today I'm gonna start off using the Pillowies eyeshadow base in the shade number 2. I really love this color, and this eyeshadow base is so good. So I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid using the tip of my fingers. And today I'm gonna use the Naked Reloaded palette by Decay. This palette is so good, so beautiful, and everything I need in many looks, especially to travel with. I really like this palette so much, and I really recommend for you to try this out in case you still didn't. And to begin this makeup look, I'm gonna use the shadow called Burn in the crease of my eyes, and this will be my transition shade. So I'm gonna apply using a blending brush, and also as it will be my transition shade, I'm gonna apply in the outer corner and in the lower lash line, adding the product a little at a time and smudging it out with circular motions. Now I'm gonna use Endgame in the other corner of my eyes, and this shade I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line as well, and what is left in the brush I'm gonna smudging it out to my crease area in circular motions. This eyeshadow is so pigmented and so beautiful, so I'm gonna add in the product a little at a time to avoid the fallouts. And in this palette, actually I don't have a lot of fallouts, but I like to be careful because I do have my skin done already. And as this color is dark and very pigmented, I don't want to stick into my face. And to make it even easier, I'm gonna add in the product with the same brush that I was applying the transition shade. Today I'm going for a dark and dramatic smoky eye, but in case you're interested to create a more sophisticated look, you can use less dark eyeshadow and create a very soft smoky eye, because the shadow that I apply is in the eyelid is so beautiful, and yes, you can do it as well. In the brow bone, I'm gonna apply bright because this color is so beautiful, and I want to highlight just a little bit. This color is a matte eyeshadow with a few shimmers on it. It's not so dramatic, but it's so beautiful. And then in the eyelid, I'm gonna apply the start of the show using a normal shader brush. And this eyeshadow is called Burn. It's a very buttery and soft texture. Feels good when you're applying your eyelids, and the color is so beautiful. It's kind of copper shade. And next, to highlight the tear duct area, I'm gonna apply the shade Angel Fire. This is so beautiful. I really love this color. I think this is my favorite from the palette. But I'm gonna apply just in the tear duct area to create a more dramatic look. I don't want to add a lot of light in this look. Now that I applied fake lashes, I'm gonna use my favorite blush at the moment, and this is Hot Mama by the Balm. I really love the color, and the gold reflects on it. Gives me a very healthy look, and I really love this blush. To apply, I'm gonna use also my favorite brush, and this is the Spotlight Duster by Sigma. All the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty, by the way, and you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. And now I'm gonna use the highlighter also by the Balm. I love this highlighter. This is the Manizer, and the color is so beautiful, matches with my skin shade, and the shine of this highlighter is stunning. I really love the texture and the formula as well. And next, I'm gonna move on to my lips and apply the liquid lipstick by Melt Cosmetics in the shade Purr. It's really beautiful. I love this color. The formula of this liquid lipstick is amazing, and it smells so good. As you can see, I add just a little bit of this liquid lipstick and remove the excess with the tip of my fingers because I don't want to have a lot of liquid lipstick in my lips today. And to finish off, I used a little bit of the lip strobe by Huda Beauty. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you still didn't. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!